Good morning, Monday morning, boys. Let's go. What's poppin'? Don't go stopping. It's Monday morning. And we're getting ready for another beautiful day in the markets. Are you guys are you as excited as I am for another Monday morning? Market gapping up this morning to the 310 area on the NQ. Should be a fun day. Should be a fun day. Just getting everything set up and going here. All right. So right now the SPY, you can see the SPY up to the 414 area. The next resistance being 417 on the SPY here. And then on the Qs, looking like 314 area. You got a gap in the chart right here. From the 310 area up there like 315. Well, like 312, 313. See what happens here at open. See what happens here at open now. Let's see what happens here. Got about 2 minutes here till the market opens. And we're just getting started. All right. It's gonna be a good day. Good day, people. Let's go. All right. All right. Let's go. Getting it going here. We're going to let the market open up, try to figure out, which way we're going to go, what we're looking at action-wise, and then we'll look for a plan here to start. And then, here we go. Market is now open. A little bit of a push up here. And then we'll get going. Get some music going here. All right. Oh, wait, wrong one. Oh. Here we go. Let's pump it up. Let's pump it up. Oh, we're getting a pump across the board with the music and with futures right now. Pumping up there to the 760, 770 area. All right. Looking for a setup here at open. Just waiting and watching. Right now the market squeezing higher up there to the 312 area on the Qs. And the SPY up to the 415s. So we'll give it some time here, see where we're going to go. Just need to let the market kind of give it more time. Figure out which way it wants to pop off first. Robert Conover, new member. Let's go. He's back. So watching right here, just got a little dip buy. See if we get a little push up here. Looking to add into this dip here. Got the EMA down there at the 50 area. So we can add into that here. See if we can get a push back up here. With my stop at the 40 area, maybe 30 area here. Lots of selling right now coming through there. See if we get this to push back up here. Our average is 56, so we're back above the 60s now. Looking for a squeeze back up to the 80s. Got 3 contracts there from the 56. Beautiful. Can we push back up here? See if we push above the 70s right here. Push above 70s. So we bought the dip there. Beautiful. Looking for a push back to the highs above the 80s here. The music's pumping, but can the market pump it up here to the 80s or higher? Our position is at like the 56s here. I'm going to jump out there for a small loss. Not like that we got denied right there. We should have pushed up. So now we'll wait again. See what happens here. Could just be some volatility, but still. Rather take a small loss on that move back down here. If you guys are just now tuning in, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's go. It's free to hit the like button. Man, this music's going hard right now, boys. Music's going hard. You can see the SPY right now, or the Qs, looking like she wants to sell here. Got that big old gap in the chart. Maybe get a pullback here. See what happens. This shit here. I think there's a good chance we break through the lows here at that 730 area on the M and Q here. With all this selling pressure. There we go. Getting the breakdown here. Currently short on the MNQ. Looking to cover a little bit down here. We're short from the 41s. Now down there to 18. Beautiful move here. Down to 16. Down to 14. And taking the last cover there at the 14s. Beautiful. So pretty much ended up going from, you know, short or going from long on this pullback here. We got denied at the 770s, and then we ended up getting short when we broke through that 740 area. And you can see the market just sell, sell, sell right here. Probably could have kept that short going a little longer. We'll look for the next opportunity here. This should be an area of kind of a bounce around area here. We got some support down at the 308.30s. So we'll see if the Qs can pull all the way down there to 308.30. You can see here, looking for a move to this previous area of resistance. Previous area of resistance here at the 308.39 area. Pull it back there. We had some consolidation the other day, but we broke the downside and lost that support. So we should continue selling here. Get through that 309 area. Most of the volume profile down there at the 306, 305 area. A little bit of it at the 308, but kind of like right where we're at. Watching the 700s on the M and Q now. Got the SPY selling off here as well. It's funny that that algorithm predicted a bull wick because of that big gap up this morning. But right now, obviously, not looking very bullwicky. So watching the low of day here at the 12,700s. And losing that right now. Getting a nice little pullback here. So we get a quick little scalp for some Monday money. A little quick $20. Only got one contract there. But nice little scalp below the 700s. Like I said, watching that 12,700 area on the M and Q here. Little bounce back up here. Nice. Got the VWAP up at the 310.50 area, so we'll watch that area to see if we can push up there and get stuck there. At that 310.50. Here, if you look on the Qs now. If you guys are just now tuning in, don't forget to hit the like button. We got 78 people watching, 24 likes. We can go all the way to 100 today, baby. Also, don't tune away. Stay. Stay for the entire duration. All right, so trying to get some shorts going here. As long as we're below the VWAP. Watching this push back up to the 310.50 area. Get some shorts going. Just try to roll off here again. Back below 12,700 on the M and Q. JJan, what's up? What's poppin'? Pushing back up there with strength right now, up to the VWAP. Let's see what happens here. Do we get denied? Do we get denied here? Uh-oh. Looks like she might want to rip up here. The bulls are back. Chop, 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 baby. Let's go. Push it back above the VWAP here. That was a pretty bullish reclaim of the VWAP there. So see if we can push above the high of day now. High of day being 312 area. Can we push it up here, baby? Oh, the trap. We're going to get a trap here? No, we're going to squeeze. We're squeezing a tweet. We're squeezing. We're squeezing a 312 today. The music's motivational. The market's motivational. It's also motivational today. The hype is real. The hype is real. Market having a little bit of trouble here. A little bounce around session. Choppiness right now. Not really knowing exactly which way it wants to go. Inside this range from that 309 area up to 312. We'll see if we get a breakout to the upside here. See where this candle closes at. We can close above the VWAP here. Right when I said that, we got back below it. Oh no. Having trouble here. Once again, some choppiness on this action. The spike up, the spike down. Look at this thing. Up, down, up, down. Let's see what happens here if we make a kind of higher low. Just chopping around the VWAP right now. That push above the VWAP just being a big old trap there. So let's see now if the bears are going to be back in control and want to push us below the low of day. No clear direction. I agree. Let's go, Matthew Stevenson. Slow and steady, baby. Wins the race. Win the race. Got my slur on today. I'm slurring the words, man. All right, so looking for like a break below low of day here. Let's see if we can get the continuation to the downside here and break out of this chop that we're in right here. Break below this candle here being 309.49 being the low is what we're looking for. Market trying to push back up here again off of that bottom. Can we sell it? Can we sell it? Sell it low. Holding right now at that 309.40 area, the low on those candles. Looking for a breakdown here. Getting the breakdown on the M&Qs here. We're up $100. I'm going to lock in $50 in profit there. Because why not? $50 a day keeps the doctor away. Down there to the 80s now. Beautiful move here. The M&Q just going lower, getting murdered. And locking it in all at the 80s. We were short from the 10s, 710 area, so beautiful little move there. Let's go. We'll push back up here. Watching the Qs here for another setup. Like I said, it'll push back up to the EMAs here, maybe up to the 720 area on the MNQs here. A little push back up is what I would like to see here. Maybe even just to 700 again would be nice. Get denied there. Watching this new 3-minute candle here. Watching this 3-minute candle to see where we push up to. Oh, man, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Put some orders out and literally got missed by a hair for a little scalp here from the 700s. No bounce. Oh, come on. It's gonna push up here. Let's push it back up. Push it back up. Don't sell off just yet. Push it back up. Perfect. Absolutely just beautiful. We'll squeeze back up here. See where this candle ends up at. Watching that 310 area here on the M and Q, on the QQs. On the Qs, got the VWAP up there, the 310.50 area. So pushing back up now above the 310s. Up there to the VWAP again. See what happens here at the 310.50 area. If we get denied here. Watching that VWAP here again. Get a candle to push up and close above it. Got 2 minutes here on this 3-minute candle, so giving it some time to figure out which way it wants to go. And we'll look to ride that next wave, baby. Just being patient, waiting, watching here. Watching to see what happens here at the VWAP area on the Qs right now. If we get denied here, I would say we're going to test that low of day again here. Watching the low here on this candle, the low being 309.51. Can't hold that. We'll look to get short here. If we can't hold that. 309.50 area. Can't hold. We look to get short. If we hold here, we could possibly get a squeeze up pretty quickly here. Dancing at the VWAP. Upper trend line. So we get a push above the VWAP here, break out of this downward trend we're in right now. Squeeze up there to the high of day. 312 area. Was thinking we're going to get that move earlier. But looks like we just had to kind of pull back one more time. Looking for this push up, baby. Currently long on the M and Qs. You can see here my entry at the 710s. We're up to 745 now. Beautiful move so far here. Up. I can't even read this thing sometimes. $300. Sorry. Like the white type and the like bright green on the P&L there is so hard to read. So I'm always like, how much am I up? I can't tell. So looking for a push above 311 here on the Qs. That's what we're getting right now. So I'm going to keep holding this. I think we can push up to the 780s. There we go. 770s. Taking a little bit more profit there. Still got 2 contracts left. Looking for a push through the 80s here, boys. Through the 80s. Let's go. Let's do it. This is a beautiful trade going right now. Beautiful trade. Somebody said we're going sideways. I said we were going to 312. You know, you come for the show. You're getting the show, my friends. You're getting the show. There it is. 778. Almost the 780s. The squeeze we were looking for. That's the squeeze we were looking for. Oh my gosh. It's looking so beautiful right now. You can see here on the Qs. That breakout, we basically got that breakout over that 3-minute chart there, just like we talked about multiple times here on the channel. And look at this thing squeezing up now, up there above the 80s. Should push up to 312s. We might be going a little too much, a little too fast. So I'm gonna look to take that last profit up here and just lock it in. Look to get a pullback here, but still, that was a beautiful trade. Absolutely. Just a beautiful trade. We are holding this 700 level here. And there it is, up there to 780. So an 80 handle move. We were in at the 710s. So we got a 70 handle move, $70 in that contract. Let's go. Hayden Huey making $500. Whee! Cheers to that, my friend. All right, so now we'll look for a pullback here. Another setup. No, always another setup to come, my friends. Always another setup to come. There's that push almost to the 312. The high on that candle was 311.79. Beautiful move here. And it's only 10 o'clock. Well, it's 4 o'clock here, but it's 10 o'clock on the East Coast. And we're making money, baby. Mega money Mondays. Oh, there she is. That pushing the 312 now. Pushing the 312. Yeah, I would not be buying puts right now. You don't stand in front of a moving train, that's for sure. Buying puts on this big squeeze up like this would maybe not be the best idea. Ride the momentum, you know? Don't fight the trend. Ride the trend. Surf the trend, baby. Pushing to 312. There it is. That touch. 312. Just like I said. Rewind the tape. Rewind the tape, my friends. Look, check this out. So I bought these horse horde NFTs. I want a quick story. Little story time. I got these for free, right? I minted these horse horde NFTs for free. I paid, I think just the transaction fee was like 0.01. And right now they're at 0.008. And look at this. Check this out. Now the total value on these is almost 10 Solana. It's almost $500. Last night they went up to like 0.30 and I was up like $3,000. But now I'm only up 10. I'm going to hold them. Come on, baby. Let's go to the moon. The Qs go to the moon. The NFTs go to the moon. Let's go. Thank God you got these NFTs for free. What do you mean? Are you a hater, Matt? Are you a hater of the NFT world? People love to hate on these NFTs, but I've been making money, so. An NFT is a non-fungible token. The JPEG, the picture, the artwork means nothing. It's about the utility, guys. The utility. What it gets you. Owning that NFT. What do you get for owning that NFT? Sometimes you get rewards. Sometimes you get alpha. Sometimes you get, you know, lots of stuff. NFTs are not a bubble. I'm going to let you guys know that. The ones that have utility are not a bubble. It's not the greater fool theory either, Dave Trader. There's actually value in these NFTs, but hey, I don't want to try to convince everybody to make money here. And that's the great thing about it. There's plenty of ways for people to make money. You don't have to make money. Giovanni, my followers are not NFT buyers. Clearly, as you can see. A lot of haters in the chat today. A lot of haters. Don't be like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said that you know, the internet and Apple was a scam when it first came out, and well, all I see is money. All I see is money, 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 money. I don't care about the stories. I don't care about people saying that it's a bubble or not. I'm making money. I agree, Dark Shadow. It's Dave Trader. It had nothing to do with the bubble. You guys just, you have no, the thing is, like, you call something a bubble, but you don't actually have any idea of how it all works. So, no offense. You know, maybe do a little bit more research first. You know, yeah, the tool, saying that the NFTs are like tulips is that's a terrible argument. Oh, sorry. If an NFT, what NFT has utility? I mean, there's a lot of NFTs that have utility. Like this recent one that I bought into is just a really good DAO that talks about, you know, hot plays, talks about cryptocurrency, talks about just different opportunities that you can get. And then you can earn money from holding the NFTs, staking. And then you've got utility. There's literally so many utilities here. You got utilities for different bot services. You have utilities for different payment services. You have there's a lot of different things popping off right now. You got the whole metaverse play. You got the Web3 play. You got the play to earn games. You got gaming in general. Got some resistance here at this area right now. Looking to see what happens to get a pullback here. Hey, I'm not saying everyone should go out and buy NFTs. I'm just saying that I've had some pretty good pretty good looks recently. That's all I'm saying. I don't really care if anyone else buys them or if you buy any of them. It literally does not matter to me. Don't buy them. Hate them. That's even better for me. I made a recent video talking about what cryptocurrency I was buying, so you guys clearly aren't watching the videos. I think at the end of the day, the real utility for the NFTs is the community, being able to build a community around the NFTs, having exclusive access to something. You know, people like that kind of stuff. People like to be a part of a community. You know, humans are communal animals. We want to be a part of something. So the NFTs do give that value to people. They give you something. You know, it's like an access to a really cool community. There's a lot of really cool communities out there. People support each other. They, you know, it's a community of people that are all maybe working towards a metaverse play, or they're working towards something together. But obviously there's a lot of risk as well. There's a lot of scams as well. So, you know. Watching the M&Qs here. You know, watching here at the 780s. I'm not sure I'd want to be I wouldn't want to get long right here. I want to wait for more of a pullback. Get a pullback to the VWAP. I think that'll be a good entry if we're trying to get long. So we'll give it a little bit of time. We're already making some money today. So let's go. I'm watching this thing right here. Maybe it wants to curl up here and squeeze again, but I don't feel like the risk to reward is there right now. Because I think downside wise, if you look here at the Qs right now on the downside, I mean, you've got from 311.40 maybe down to 310.50 kind of being downside potential there. So I think there's more downside potential than upside potential, because you could get a push up here to 312.34, get stuck again. So that's the way I look at it. That's the way that I'm looking at it. The 1 minute chart here on the M&Qs, really kind of FOMOing me, making me want to buy in here. I don't know. I don't want it. It looks like it wants to curl up here and squeeze above the 800s on the M&Q. Like I said, I wasn't in love with buying up here. If anything, just buy one contract here, just so I don't feel like I missed out. Let's see if we're going to curl here. Will we curl? Lucid Motors. Is that what you're asking about, Lucid? Push up to the 800s here on the M&Q now. Bit of a battle, like we thought we would have a bit of a battle here. Get this consolidation level here. Pushing up there to 800s now. Let's go. Having trouble there at the 800s. Pulling back now. I like to see that VWAP, baby. Give me that VWAP. A lot of volume up here at this level. The 312s right now on the day. See if we get a pullback down here. Some choppy action here. Look at this thing. Chopping around sideways right now. Not sure which way it wants to go. Selling off here. Got the VWAP down there at the 310.50. Probably could have got short there. I should have got short there. Oh, no. Seeing all that resistance up there, should have got short, but just didn't like that choppy action there. But guess, you know, coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda here. Ugh. Little pushback up here. Not getting almost all the way down there to the VWAP here. So this could be the pushback up we were looking for. Give some time to see where this candle closes at. Feeling a little bit more bullish now that we bounced off the VWAP there. I mean, we were like, I mean, inches from it. Inches from the VWAP there on the Qs. Get back above 780s here on the M and Q. Could get moving again. It's early, boys. 4:18 in the morning here in Hawaii. And I'm getting tired. Look to see if we hold the 60s here. The M and Q 60s. Get this. Oh, why am I? Literally can't talk. 312.60. Just bounce, baby. Just bounce. Let's go. Robert needs it. Robert needs it to go. Squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Squeeze, baby, squeeze. Looking for a push up here. I like the setup right now. Got the VWAP there. If we can just get above that 311.50 area, I think we can get going again. Oh, touching that 311.49 right there. Oh, we should have pushed through there. That was not good. Come on, baby. Oh, literally got denied. Look at that. Right at 311.49. So we're watching this 311.50 area for a breakout to the upside here to get long. We're above the VWAP. We're consolidating now here. Very good chance of pushing through 311.50 here. Let's see. Do we get it? Trying right here. Oh, denied again. Come on. Market trying to bounce here. A little too choppy to get that breakthrough, that 311.50 area there. Oh, man. That was the moment. The moment to happen. Now retesting at 311.50 area again. We can break through that 311.50. We're going 312, baby. Did we break it? We broke it. Come on. Let's go. I'm thinking they squeeze this thing higher. I'm thinking they squeeze it higher. If we can just hold that 311 area, we can squeeze higher, boys. Some serious consolidation right here. I'm currently on trading the futures football factor, M and Q. No options right now. Market getting super tight here. Thanks, Matthew. Noticing my haircut. So observant. It was getting a little crazy before. I had to tone it down a little bit. Got that 311 area acting as support. Let's see if we can hold here. The battle is real, boys. The battle is real right now. Real. Battle is real. Really trying to do something. We're waiting. We're watching. 311. Can it hold? Squeeze up there. Let's go, baby. Come on. 312. Let's do it. Break through it, baby. Break on down to the other side. Looking for a close above 311.50 here. On this candle, we can get going. Looking for a push up 312 now. Looking for push up 312s. Incoming. 311.80 now. Looking for a squeeze up above the 800s here on the M and Qs. Currently long from the 72s. Locked a little bit of profit there. Still got 2 contracts left. We're up about $100 on this trade. See if we can push over the 800s here. Get above 312 on the NASDAQ here, on the Qs. Taking a little bit more profit there. Just don't want to get stuck. But looking like we can push up here. Sounds like everything's going nuts right now. My entries down here at the 75s. Boo-doo-doo-doo. A little bit of trouble there at the 312s right now. Let's see if we can push all the way through it. Watching this 80 here. If we can't hold the 80s, I'm going to jump out. Oh, we held it, baby. Look at that. We held it. Can we push above 312 here? 312 push. Having a little bit of trouble here. I hate to get out, but I might need to just get out just to lock it in there. A little pop back up there, jump out there. Still got a lot of resistance at 800 levels, so. Oh, now it's going to just rip. Watch it. Just rip up there. Oh, so I might be right. I might be right. We'll see. Let's see if the 800s don't crack here. Let's see what happens right here. You can see here on the Qs right now, running into that resistance there at the 312 area. Does not want to push above that 312. So I was like, hey, you don't want to push 312? That's fine. That's fine. I'll take profit. Got the 800s again there on the M&Q. Can she squeeze through it? Last candle on the 1 minute chart. A lot of selling pressure coming through there. Still holding off the EMAs here. Serious battle between the bears and the bulls. Somebody earlier said that it wasn't time that the market was going to crash. Too many calls. That's the great thing about the market, is it does the exact opposite of what 90% of people think it's going to do. Probably more than that, like 95%. You gotta love it. Constantly just learning how insignificant we are. If we get a push above the 800s here, we should just get a nice little ripper on the M and Q. So kind of watching this level here. That puts us at the Qs at the 312 area here. If we can squeeze up there, 313, 314 area. If you look on the bigger picture here, really the next resistance I would say is like 313 area. So now pushing up here, 312.12. High of days so far is 312.34. So see if the market can push up there. On the 15-minute chart, looking pretty bullish here, boys. Those first 15-minute candles, big old wicks squeezing up there. Holding the VWAP, holding the VWAP. Now trying to push up here. So this is looking very much like she just wants to go here on the 15-minute chart. I'd say just like that. See where that looks like on the 3-minute chart. Look at that. We got this kind of, I don't even know what you call it. I guess bull flag here, and then this rising wedge triangle origami. Should she have pushed through here? I would say that 312.30 area, the high of day, should get broken here. The setup is here. The lines are drawn. Everything is looking real nice right now for that move. Let's see if it's going to happen. Watch and see if we get a push above the high of day here, 312.30 area. Or if we're going to pull back again, retest that trend line here. Bow, 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 bow. Having a little bit of trouble up there at that high so far, so looking to see if we get a pullback here for that next move up. Huh. Tom Lee, 5,100, huh? Hey. If you throw big enough numbers out there, you know, and then it happens, you're a genius, so. Can we squeeze here? Looks like I might get a little dip down here. 311 again. Let's see what happens here. That 311.50 area. Can she hold? Trying to hold 311.50 right now on the Qs. Got the 780s on the M and Q trying to hold, and the 61s on the ES. Push back above 312 here. Get another close above 312 here. It's just going to get tighter and tighter, boys. The bears are going to get squeezed. We're going to get some squeezed bears. Y'all ever had squeezed bear? It tastes so good. All right, here we go. We got to get moving here. We got to get this breakthrough. We got to just break right through it. Just bull out, baby. Give me a big old boner candle. Give me a big old boner candle here. Come on. Boost, baby. Boost. Boost, baby. Boost. Somebody turn on the rocket boosters. Somebody turn on the rocket boosters. Let's get a move up to the 313s here on the Qs. Ugh. Currently long on the M and Q right now. Looking for a push up here to the over 312.30 area. Get up to 312.50 minimum. Minimum. The ES, everything looking really bullish right now. The 15-minute chart on the ES looking bullish. Everything looking ready to break out here. We get the follow through on the ES. The M and Q is going to run with it. What happened to the like button? What about it? You don't see the like button? There's no like button? They took away the like button? YouTube took away the like button now? It's like when they took away the buy button on Robinhood. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Getting so tight right here, boys. So tight. Getting so tight here. Can we get the breakout to the upside here? It's like watching... I don't even know what this is like watching. It's like watching the inevitable. Like, can it just happen? Again, pulling back here, getting stuck at that 312.30 area. See if we can hold this trend. Just keep getting tighter and tighter for that break to the upside here. Anything's possible, obviously, but looking very much more like it wants to break to the upside with this setup here. It's got to hold. It got to hold. Now the question is this the fake out? Do the Qs just get stuck there? It ain't over till it's over, boys. Got about 40 seconds left here on this 15-minute candle. See what they do here. Maybe another trap. Another trap. Oh, they're trying to push it. On this 15-minute candle, they're trying to push it up there to 312 again. Get the close above 312. On that 15-minute candle, can they do it? Pretty damn close. 311.94 for the close on that 15-minute candle. Oh, baby, this thing's looking like it's ready to explode. I don't want to jinx myself here, but I just don't see how this doesn't break through that resistance. I don't know. Just put it out there. I probably jinx myself, but I just don't see how this doesn't go higher. Every single time frame looking bullish as I can't tell if my chart's like freezing or not, but right now the Q's just like stuck there at 312. Why would you short? Why would you short, Roy? Why? Why did you do that? Why did you short against me, Roy? You went against me. Have I ever had any fear trading? Oh yeah, I still have it every day. Every single time I press that button, I'm like, all right, here we go. We're pressing the button. We're gonna find out what happens every time, every single trade. I'd say the fear though over time kind of gets less and less because you get to a point where like, all right, you know, you get to a point where you pretty much enter the trade knowing like, hey, you know, I'm risking $100. And, you know, that's what my trade. I'm risking 100 to make 300. And you got to just accept that going into the trade, you know. You accept that there's infinite possibilities. And here we are, living in a world of infinite possibilities. That's the best part is every single time you take a trade, you have no idea. Like, obviously, we have technical analysis. We have targets, things like that. But I mean, you literally just have no idea what's going to happen. It's almost like madness. Madness, I'd say. Absolute madness. If you told somebody that if you explain day trading to somebody, and like, oh, so every day I basically make a trade based on infinite possibilities. Like right now, the market could just go sideways the rest of the day. Or it could just, it could drop. It could go higher. It could go down, go back up. I mean, me drawing lines on this chart mean really nothing. It gives me an idea. It gives me a, you know, like lets me feel better that I'm like, oh, I know what's going to happen here. But at the end of the day, who really knows what's going to happen? Before every trade, I just ask my magic 8 ball, Get long, get short. It's that simple. Can we push above the 800 level here on the M&Q, the 12,800s? You got the 312 area here acting as resistance on the Qs right now. We got the SPY looking like it wants to break up here. This is the SPY chart. Looking more bullish than the NQ right now. So we got multiple markets all looking like they're ready to go. Just need that push, baby. Yep. Oh, man. Do something already. Market is getting so tight here. Getting coiled up. Looking like a rattlesnake, just ready to jump. A rattlesnake. Oh my gosh. Just gonna come. Chicago! Bulls are back, baby. Are we gonna squeeze here? Don't get me excited. Oh, she's trying to push up here. Let's see. Can we push above the 810 area? We got to get the Qs above the 312.30. Snus talking about illegal actions, and then somebody in the chat goes, where can I buy that at? I do not condone illegal actions. Obviously, no market manipulation, you know, buying earnings before they come out, things like that. I do not suggest that to anyone. This is not that kind of place. So the market is having trouble there. I'm going to watch the 80s if it can't break through here. Man, I'm feeling like I'm going to get chopped up here either way. Watch this thing. Going to rip back up. The minute that I get out, it's going to end up chopping me up here. I'm going to get out there. Damn it. Just getting denied right at that level again, that 1230 level. Might need more time before we can break through it. Got the VWAP down there at the 311s. If this thing pushes back up, if it just chops around here, I'm going to be so pissed. I'm going to be real pissed. That was a pretty big denial candle, though, up there. Gotta love it. Welcome to the market, baby. I mean, really could go like that, I guess. So we broke the downside there. Still just kind of sitting on my hands here. I think it's better just to kind of sit back, be patient, figure out which way this market wants to go. If we get a break above that 312.30 area, we get long, and then just kind of watching the VWAP here. So just some. Am I planning on opening a Discord? I don't know. Like, what would you like to see in the Discord? What would you like to have in the Discord? I guess that's my question. What would you like to see in the Discord? I guess I could open a Discord. Wouldn't it be too hard? You can do live calling here, though. All right, I'll make a Discord. That's what I'll work on later today. Opening up a Discord. Might do a free NFT mint to get access to the Discord. Uh-oh. You guys are all gonna be like, screw that, not doing it, not joining anymore. What should be the Discord name? The Rough Riders. The Stock Traders. Margin Call. Be a good Discord name. I'm for sure. If we launch a Discord for trading, we're for sure gonna launch an NFT as well. Just putting it out there. So just get ready. My stream's really blurry. Are you guys noticing that my stream is blurry today? $15-minute chart looking a little better on the SPY right now. The Q's looking not as hot. Holding that 311 area here. The 1 hour looking interesting here as well. All right, I think this could be the next pushback up here. Let's see. We hold the VWAP here. We push back up above that 312 area. We then go to the moon. Whoa, whoa, don't go to the moon so quickly. Slow down now. Right when I said we might push back up here. Oh, my, look at this. You got me on the 65-inch. Well, no shit, I'm blurry. I'm only streaming 1080, man. I just want to see that. I want to see a break over the 312.50s. Every bone in my body right now is telling me 312.50, 312.50 break, 312.50 break. But maybe that's why I'm wrong. Maybe that's why I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe. It's your Wi-Fi. You're not shot yourself in the foot. You just, is what it is. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes the market gives those signals. You think it's going to go higher and it goes lower, and then we end up getting out for a loss, and then bam! Right back up there. Got to just stick to the guns sometimes. Stick to the plan. All right, let's see if we can push. We got to push here. This market's got to get moving again. The bulls got to show control. Push above 312. Get back above 312. I just don't see how we can't break above the high of day. I don't know. That's just like, if it doesn't break through high of day at that 312 area here, I'm going to be mind blown. I'll be mind blown. Bow, 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 bow. But what happens if no big move comes, Giovanni? What if the market goes sideways? You get screwed on the straddle or what? Right? Wouldn't you get screwed? That's what would happen to me. I would end up buying the straddle and the market would go sideways. Come on, baby. Give me one more squeeze. One more squeeze for daddy. We don't want to get a lower high here. We don't want to get a lower high. That lower high would not be good for us. We need a push. Could we see a boner candle? Very, very, very possible here, Dark Shadow. Very possible. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. We got 97 people watching. We got 61 likes. I think we can get way more likes than that, boys. Come on. So another trouble there at 312 again. Come on, we got to push. We need this candle to close above 312 to be bullish here. Need this candle to close above 312. That's all we need. All I want to do is go to 312. I do not like the fact that we're making a lower high right now If this candle closes like it's closing, it's not looking good for a push up here. It's not looking good for a push up. If we can't get this push here, we need a push. I got this freaking thing in my teeth right now. It's driving me nuts. All right, I got 40 seconds here on this 3-minute candle. Can she push up here? Gotta push up here. Not looking good right now. The SPY having trouble as well. I do not think we're gonna get a push above 312 here unless we get it in the last like 10 seconds here. Oh no. Broke VWAP to the upside or to the downside, Dave? It's important to know these things. To the downside, a rut row. SPY just going sideways here. Everything just like, look at this right now. Wow. The SPY literally just going sideways right here. This is a 3-minute chart. The Q is pretty much following exactly in that path. Do-do-do-do-do-do. We'll see where this candle closes at. If we can close below the VWAP here, let's see. I still don't really even like the idea of the short here. Too much choppy sideways action. Even if we do get a sell, maybe the market only moves down a little bit and then just pops back up. So some days you got to know when to hold them, and some days you got to know when to fold them. And right now, looking like a hold them type of day. For now, at least. Oh man, it's summertime here in Hawaii, and it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. So the market breaking below the VWAP here. First time we've done that in a while. Like I said, really wasn't too excited about a short, but a nice little 20 like handle move so far. So that lower high was exactly what we did not want. I guess I could have got short there, but just didn't like that kind of price action, that choppy sideways action. And now the dump is happening. Big old bearish engulfing candle here on the 15-minute chart here. On the SPY and on the Qs now. Oh, selling increasing here. I might have been wrong about not taking a short there. Might have been wrong. You can see here right now on the IronBeam app. Look at this thing from the 80s down there to the 20s. Definitely could have taken a short. Almost back to where we opened at. Oh, man. Just kind of looking back here, obviously in hindsight, you know, it's always 50-50 here, but definitely should have been a sell signal when we had this lower high. Should have gotten short there, risking basically off that high of day. Would have been a nice little entry and short. Is what it is. We'll wait for the next setup here. You can see on the M&Q right now, just sell, sell, sell. Got that 309.2080 area on the Qs now to be the next kind of support area. I think we might get a little bounce off of that. And there's another infinite possibilities. Like we said, the market just dumping now. They definitely trigger some stop losses, that's for sure. They most definitely triggered stop losses. Got a big old sell-off here on the M&Q right now. $15-minute just getting slashed right now. The SPY, everything getting murdered on the 15-minute chart. Look at this thing. Sell, 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 sell. We got the boner candle to the downside. We got a boner candle just the wrong way. It just went the wrong way, man. I do feel good because I felt like I was pretty spot on about needing to break over 312 there on the 3-minute chart. That point right here, we had to break through that level for the bears to get squeezed, and well, they managed to hold it at that level, and the bears did not get squeezed. Obviously, they got fed. The bears are getting fed right now. Man, that's a massive 15-minute candle here on the SPY and on the Qs. She's selling through the low of day now. Wow. Look at this chart right now. Are you kidding me? Almost to the low of day. Right there. The market takes the stairs on the way up and the elevator on the way down, my friends. Nasty. Oh! Still sell, sell, sell here. Oh my gosh. There's got to be some type of bounce coming, right? There's got to be a bounce coming here. Wowzers. There's no bounce. Nasty move to the downside here. Nasty. Just nasty. The bears are being nasty right now. Bunch of nasty bears. Mean, mean bears. Roy Jenkins taking home the profit today. Let's go. Should get a little pushback up here. Should. Keyword should get some type of relief bounce. It's a lot of selling pressure coming through there. No bounce Monday. Market's getting murdered right now. Absolutely murdered. Fresh money, money, money Mondays. Nice work, Jonathan. We didn't push through the 312. I know. Fail of the day. We tried so hard, but we just didn't get it. Sometimes you get them. Sometimes the market gets you. Sometimes you're the hammer, and sometimes you're the nail. And that's just how it goes sometimes, my friends. Just how it goes sometimes. Little reversal here off the bottom, possibly. The bulls are coming. Dark shadow, they're coming. All right, all right. All right, all right, all right. It's 5:30 here in Hawaii right now. 11:30 on the East Coast. 11:24. We've had some amazing opportunities today. Look at this thing. I mean, we was up, we were down. I mean, we were all around, baby. Look at that. Woohoo! Some serious opportunity today to make some money. If you guys made some money, nice work. Market still looking like she wants to go lower here. Looking like she wants to break. Got the low on that candle, 308 area. I'm trying to think about how I could have done this differently, what I should have done differently earlier. The regret. Looking at this now, you know, it's like, fuck. What should I have done differently? I think the biggest takeaway from this setup here was that lower high right there. Because it was funny because I was long and I said to myself, like, hey, if we can't break, you know, above that 312 here and close above 312, then we're going to get hammered back down. We got to break above there. So it was funny because in my long position, I basically identified, like, hey, if we can't break above that 312, you know, then we're in trouble. So that should have triggered me to, you know, think about shorting. But yeah, it is difficult to go from like having a bullish, like throughout this move, I'm sitting there like, man, this thing, it's got to go, right? Like it's got to go. And well, it didn't go. So live to fight another day. This is the process, right? Like we're going through it. We're trying to get to a point where it's like, hey, you know, I should have, you know, probably. You're right, Giovanni. I'm not arguing with you, that's for sure. I'm just trying to figure out how I can be better prepared in the future. I think it was really, you know, you just gotta fucking, if you see something that would take you out of the long, then you should think to yourself, like, well, maybe if I'm getting out of a long here because I see that there's a reason to get out long, well, then maybe I should be getting short at that same level. So we're still green on the day. It's not a bad day either way, but that would have been a really nice short opportunity. I just didn't think we would crash. I thought we'd go sideways a lot longer than that. I thought, if anything, we would kind of pull back down to here, kind of chop around, go sideways the way that we were trading. But we just got that dump. Massive dump there. Just an absolute massive dump. We got 90 people watching. We got 70 likes. Come on, people. Let's go. Break 100 likes. You can do it right now. Just move your little mouse. Just move it on over there and click. Click. And I'm going to start working on the Discord. I'll get a Discord going. We can all start jumping in there, bouncing ideas around, fun stuff like that. Get excited. Get excited, boys and girls. Discord coming soon. I'll set the Discord up today and then tomorrow share it here on the stream. All the OGs. OGs in the stream. I'm not sure about the name yet. I got to think about the name. Give me a little bit of time. A little bit of time to think about the name. What could the name be? Bulls and bears make money. Pigs get slaughtered. The Slaughterhouse. Day trading Discord. That'd be a great name. The Slaughterhouse, where people come to get slaughtered by the market. We don't get slaughtered. We run the market, boys. Let's go. Got a little short going here. We're going to see if we can get a little lower here. Just kind of close it out here today. Oh, gosh. Put a little bit more profit on the table here. We'll see if we can sell a little lower. I'm in at the 61s, currently at 54s, so just kind of watching here. Might just jump out and then walk away. If we push back to this up, we're pushing back up there. So jumping out, locking in that green for the day. I was thinking we might be able to roll off there again, but looking like we might kind of push back up here a little bit after all that selling pressure. Don't want to FOMO into a short down here at the bottom and then get ripped to the face, push back up here. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens here. Also, big thank you to everybody who tunes in. I see a lot of the same faces here every day. Again, can't do it without you guys. You guys are the reason that this YouTube is what it is. So, big thank you. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, we'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Doing it live right here, trading the markets, talking about the markets, going through it together. What a better way to do it than with all your closest friends here on YouTube. And like I said, I'll work on getting Discord going for us. And maybe we can get some ideas bouncing around and all that fun stuff. And then we're going to launch, I think with the idea, what we'll do is we'll launch a free NFT, right? Where only people in the Discord can mint the NFT. It's free. You mint it. If we create value, if we make the Discord really badass in the future and people want to buy that NFT, well, then that would be really cool. We'll see what happens. You know, no promises. No promises that we're going to the moon, but either way, it could be fun. So, there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button. We're at 88 people watching. We're at 83 likes. I think we can break through 100 right here, right now, before I close this out. Help me out here, people. Let's go. Can we do it? Can the market also sell here? So many questions, so little time. See if we're going to roll here. Are we going to roll? Is this thing going to roll off finally? Get down to the 308s again. Break through 308. Get down to the 306s. Looks good for some rolling, baby. Looks good for some rolling here. The SPY looking like she wants to roll as well. SPY looking like she wants to roll here through the 41s on the M&Q. Let's see if we can get it. All right. So looking to take a little bit more profit here. I'm going to lock in $50 in profit. Can I get filled here? Can I get... Oh, come on. All right, you got filled there, and we're locking in $50 in profit. We got another contract to go here. See if we can get another little bit of profit out of this one. Get a little bit more profit here to end the day. Green. And I'm locking it down there. Let's go. All right. A couple little scalps there at the bottom. We'll take them. Get a little $50, you know, on 2 contracts. Ain't a bad trade. There it is, down to 308 now. Selling. Sell. All right. Pretty fun day. I'm still kind of butthurt. I'm pretty butthurt about this right here. I think like, oh man, this is gonna haunt me. I'm gonna have to spend some time today really kind of manifesting, really thinking about this one. If I see a lower high when we're trying to break through that resistance, Patrick, now I've learned, you know, maybe in the future, you know what's gonna happen in the future though? In the future, we're gonna get that lower high. I'm gonna get short, and then it's gonna rip up. You know, just how it's gonna go. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. We've been live for 2 hours here on YouTube. Let's go. We've only got 84 likes. Come on, friends. If you haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Hit it. Still selling. Break below the 308s. Like I said, that 3 look like 306 area being your next. Why do I need the likes? Well, so if the stream gets more likes, that shows that I'm getting more interactions, and then YouTube promotes my content to more people, and then I get more views, and then I get more money. If I make more views, more money. It's all about making more money. And also, you know, enjoying you guys' company here. But the stream's free. You know, there's a lot of guys out there that charge for chat rooms and all this type of bullshit. This is a free stream. All I ask is just for a like. It's really that nice. Really that simple. Watching this 308 here. I just want to see if we're going to break through this 308. Or we're going to keep bouncing here. Watch this 3-minute candle. Got about a minute and a half here. It's the algorithm, man. Blame YouTube. Don't blame me. Also, if anyone can mail me Chipotle, I'm craving Chipotle so badly right now. Airplane tickets have just gone insane recently. When I first moved to Hawaii, airplane ticket to Florida was like $800 round trip. Now they're like $2,400. I would literally fly to Florida right now to eat Chipotle if I could. I miss it so much. If you guys are long-time subscribers, you probably have watched some of my old streams back in the day where I would literally order Chipotle like every day on the stream for lunch. No more Uber Eats on the North Shore. There is no Uber Eats. There's no Uber where I live at. I live in the middle of nowhere. The only thing we got is I mean, we really don't have anything. Just like a couple of food trucks and a grocery store. Nah. Chipotle is way better than Moe's. Chipotle, Moe's does not even compare to Chipotle. So it looks like that 308 area is going to hold here on the SPY right now. So let's go. So yeah, 308 looking like it's going to hold here on the M&Q right now. The SPY holding that 413 area. Might get a push back up to the VWAP again. But for now, I think I'm going to walk away there. And take my profit. Take my profit and run away here. Take my profit and run away. Again, big thanks for everyone who tunes in, watches the stream, supports the stream, hits that like button, all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Let's go, boys. Do it together. Beans and rice. Well, you made so much money today, Roy. Go get you some beans and rice, my friends. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. If you guys haven't already, like I said, help me out here. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on. We're going to get out of here. I'm going to work on doing a little recap. I'm going to try to do a recap every day now. Like a little, like a quick 5 to 6 minute recap of some of the trades that went down. Kind of give you guys a little short form of the whole entire live stream. So it's a little bit more fun, maybe. I think that's a good idea. We'll see. But we'll try it out today. I'm going to edit the video up for you guys and post it up here in a little bit. So see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace.